Hey guys, back for another video. So we have this kit. I added my own carabiner. This green one does not come with it, as you guys can see, because I just put it on there. But yeah, so I spent $16 on this. It's a survival kit. Here's all the stuff in the back. If you want to pause it, you can see everything. Yeah. So this is just it's a personal survival kit, emergency essentials. Here we just have 100 foot of, I'm assuming 20 to 40 pound paracord. Comes with 2 of these orange carabiners. All right, this is kind of the main thing. You ready for the grand review, guys? All right, boom. There's matches in here. I mean, I really just picked it up and got it. So let's take a look at those matches. They didn't have to do like a, there was no check that had to get done. So I didn't have to like put in an ID. So I did basically just buy matches. Which is kind of crazy to think about that. So let's see if these matches work. It just broke. So yeah. Sorry about that. So they do work. They do create a lot of smoke. Set that guy over here. Definitely did not just drop that on the floor. So matches do work. That's a check. We have triple antibiotic oil. We have We have 2 sting relief wipes, or 3. Dang, 3. Sorry, I have GTA loaded. I just got kicked. So yeah. Sting relief. Boom. Here we have some. We just have some towelettes. Probably just wet, damp, BKZ, no clue what that is. We do have a razor blade. See how sharp that is? That is not even sharp. Oh yeah, that is sharp as fuck actually. Sorry guys, this is actually really useful. I have my phone put up here. So this is actually really useful in the surviving world. I will be testing this kit out later. I don't know when, no clue when, but I will. Let me try to get her back in here. Boom, got her right in there, boom. We have more towelettes. Another one. Band-Aids. Whoa. Oh shit, we got some Band-Aids. Oh, we got some Band-Aids, guys. Definitely not expecting that. I was wondering why these 2 Band-Aids were really thick. Here we go. We have some triple antibiotic oil. Ooh, we have a H Band-Aid. Ooh, we got 2. All right. Now we got these little finger Band-Aids. I'm actually gonna take one of these out, guys. Oh, You're serious, right? Yeah. More Band-Aids. And this, actually, yeah, boom. So I might cut myself on purpose. And, oh, not to mention, they counted this as 2 items. This is actually really, I honestly will be completely honest, this is a nice tin. But yeah, we have some baby pins. Oh, I just cut the shit out of myself. But yeah, let's just give it quick. This is how I test all my stuff. It does do the skin test. As you guys can see, I'm not actually putting it through my skin. I'm putting it through a layer of my skin. If it can pass that, it's good. Oh god. Yep. So time to load this guy back up, and yeah. So let's see how easy the loading process is. Here, let me put this guy away. Boom. Boom. Now we have all these like antibiotic wipes and stuff that probably just here to say that they're here. That's probably the only reason that these people put these in, is just so, hey, we have these in here. You can't say our stuff doesn't come with anything. I just cut my finger. And then matches. Boom. So we will be doing a few things with this, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna really quickly put this. I have a wart on my finger, as you guys can see. Long story short, it's annoying and it hurts, and I tried cutting it off a few days ago and just made myself bleed like crazy. So yeah, that's kind of my story. Ooh, it's kind of, this is a clear Band-Aid. Boom. Ooh, sticky. Boom, boom. It's actually kind of nice. It's really like free. It's one of the, it's that's weird. I kind of like that Band-Aid. But yeah. So if you're young and you need matches, I don't know why. I have no clue why. Go to Walmart and pick up one of these. Come with matches, and I didn't have to put in my ID or anything. So I will be doing a separate video testing out these. I was assuming 20 to 50 pound strength. It says nothing on here. Like it doesn't say anything on here either. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys next time.